To enable the system to detect a cyclist, the vehicle driving speed must be at least 10 km per hour. For cyclist detection, clear information about the cycle, rider's head, arms, shoulders, legs, the upper and lower parts of the body and a cyclist's normal pattern of movement is required. If major parts of the cyclist's body are not visible to the camera, the system cannot detect the cyclist. The cyclist should be of height greater than 3 feet and should be driving an adult cycle. Collision possible warning level 1. The driver is alerted to the risk of an imminent collision by first level of visual and audible warning. Collision warning level 2. Automatically applied and released braking. If the driver does not take control or the driver braking force is not enough to mitigate collision, system issues the second level of visual and audible warning and applies partial braking with engine drag. Emergency braking warning level 3. Automatically applied braking. After second level warning, if the driver does not take control or driver braking force is not enough, and risk of a collision is imminent, the system applies harder braking along with third level of visual and audible warning. When system has applied the brakes, a pop-up message will be displayed as automatic emergency braking completed. Notice. Warning.